So Instagram has introduced a new feature called Doodles, whereby users can now create, draw and send doodles in chats. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So now for you to send those doodles, first you need to update your Instagram application. Ensure Instagram app is up to date. After updating Instagram application, the next step is to open Instagram application. So after opening Instagram application, now click on the message tab here at the top right corner. Now select any chat of your choice. Now here on chat controls, click on the plus icon. So now you'll see three options: location, draw and meta AI. Now select draw, and then click on try it. So now you'll see three segments. At the top is brush types to choose. At the bottom is the color options to choose. And on the left side is a slider to adjust your brush size. So now choose your preferred color, brush type and adjust the brush size. So now you can create your doodle. So after creating your doodle, you can now click on send here at the bottom right, and the other user will receive it as a doodle message. So that's how to create, draw and send doodles in Instagram chats.